Hi everyone, today we're exploring Base 10, a brilliant hands-on resource for developing key mathematical skills like place value, addition, subtraction and even decimals. If you're looking for a way to bring abstract concepts to life for your pupils, Base 10 is the perfect tool. I'll show you 3 engaging ways to use these in your classroom. Let's start with early years, where Base 10 blocks can introduce the concept of sharing, the basis of early division. Begin by making sure children are confident using the ones blocks to count out a number, match with a numeral. And when you know they're happy and confident using those for their counting, we can start to explore some sharing. So we are going to do a bit of storytelling alongside our family counters. So we've got 2 friends that go to a shop and they buy 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 sweets. And what we're going to do first is start by addressing the misconception of sharing equally. So we're going to take our blocks and we're going to ask children, have we shared them equally? And they're going to say, no, that's not fair. So we'll take them back out. And now we are going to demonstrate how to share equally by doing 1 for you, 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 1 for you. And then encourage them to check how many they've got. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 8 sweets shared between 2 people, they get 4 each. And you can explore that with lots of different numbers. You could also bring in a 3rd friend or even a 4th friend to share between. Moving into year 1, Base 10 blocks are ideal for exploring place value and number bonds to 20. These concepts are key to building mathematical fluency. So start by using the tens rods and the ones to be able to build a 2-digit number. So if we pose the question of can you build 23, the children are going to have already had chance to explore the rods and know that these are their tens. So they need their 2 tens and their 3 ones. And it's really useful to give year 1 children a frame like a tens and ones place value frame that they can place it into, or we can also be using a part whole. So we've got our 23 that we're going to make, which is made up our 2 tens, which is our 20, and our 3 ones. Next, use the blocks to be able to explore a simple addition in year 1. So here we've got 12 plus 8 equals. So first, they need to build their 12. So they need their 1 10 and their 2 ones. And then we need our 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And because we're adding them together, we're going to bring those together. And what they can do is line them up against each other. They can see that they're adding their 8 ones to their 2 ones, and now they can see that we've made that complete 10. So 10 and 10 makes 20. So 12 add 8 equals 20, and we can see that those ones could be exchanged for our 10, showing us our 20. In Key Stage 2, Base 10 blocks can be used for teaching expanded form to support addition of 3 digits and 3 digits. So let's start with the expanded form of this number. So we've got 346. So we need our 100, 200, 300, 10, 20, 30, 40, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then to write that visually out, we know we've got our 300, our 40, and 6. So 346 is split down into 300 and 46. Let's take the addition of 346 and 122. So we have built our 346, so let's do the 122. So we need our 120, so our 2 10s and 2 1s. So we have written out our expanded form after placing our base 10. Now what we're going to do is bring those together to show that we're adding them together. So we're going to bring our hundreds together, our 10s together, and our 1s together. And now we can explore writing those down. So we've got our 100, 200, 300, 400. We have got 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. We have got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 1s. And bring that all together, and that is going to equal 468. And that's how you can use base 10 blocks to support maths teaching across different stages. From counting and place value to expanded form addition, they're an incredibly versatile tool for helping children grasp tricky concepts in a visual way.